As you step into the enchanting world of Paris, the city's timeless elegance unfolds before you. In this video to the City of Lights, we'll explore the top attractions, culinary delights, and luxurious accommodations that make Paris an unparalleled destination. No visit to Paris is complete without ascending the iconic Eiffel Tower. Take a leisurely elevator ride to the top for breathtaking, panoramic views of the city. For a romantic touch, consider a twilight visit and experience the magic as the city lights up beneath you. Nearby, indulge in French pastries and coffee at Café de l'Homme, while enjoying the stunning Trocadero Gardens. Immerse yourself in the world's largest art museum, the Louvre, home to thousands of masterpieces, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa. The Louvre is a cultural treasure trove. Wander through the mesmerizing glass pyramid courtyard and explore the adjacent Tuileries Garden for a serene escape amidst art and nature. Step into the bohemian spirit of Montmartre, where cobbled streets and artistic flair collide. Visit the Sacré-Cœur Basilica atop the hill for panoramic views of Paris. Delight in the lively atmosphere of Place du Tertre, where local artists showcase their work. For a delightful meal, Le Relais de la Butte offers a cozy setting and authentic French cuisine. Embark on a romantic Seine River cruise to witness Paris from a unique perspective. Glide past illuminated landmarks like Notre Dame Cathedral, the Musée d'Orsay, and the Louvre. Opt for an evening cruise with Bateau Parisians for a magical experience. Afterward, savor French gastronomy at the celebrated restaurant Le Jules Verne, nestled in the Eiffel Tower. Explore the vibrant district of Saint-Germain-des-Prés, known for its artistic legacy and gastronomic pleasures. Wander through quaint streets lined with boutiques and art galleries. Enjoy a meal at Café de Flore, a historic literary haunt, or Le Comptoir du Relais for a taste of traditional French dishes in a cozy setting. For a luxurious stay, consider Hotel Plaza Athénée, an iconic palace hotel located on Avenue Montaigne. Indulge in opulent rooms and exquisite service, with its prime location making it a perfect base for exploring Paris. Another notable choice is Le Meurice, a historic hotel near the Louvre, offering a blend of classic elegance and modern luxury. As your journey through Paris comes to an end, you'll carry with you the memories of iconic landmarks, delectable cuisine, and the unparalleled charm that makes Paris a destination like no other. In the City of Lights, every moment becomes a part of a timeless story waiting to be told.